mtusaidie, na tunajua mko na uwezo. Nataka niwaambie wanariadha wetu na sportsmen wote wa taifa letu la Kenya, sportsmen and women wa Kenya, kwamba sisi tuko na mpango kamili. Wakati tumechaguliwa 2022, mnajua tayari Kenya ilikuwa katika orodha ya nchi ambazo zingepigwa marufuku. We were candidates for being banned for matters doping. And it took us as an administration. I remember sending Ababu na Mwamba, and we had to engage our friend Sebastian Coe. When I sat with him in my office, I asked him a simple question: what do I do so that Kenya is not banned? And he asked me that for Kenya not to be banned, you have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to put a fund of 500, almost 750 million Kenya shillings every year to deal with the problem of doping. I am very happy that we complied, and Kenya today is off the list of countries to be banned for doping. Sebastian Coe was here himself. He has had to leave. And I want to thank him because he is a friend of Kenya. Why not for him? He bent over backwards to accommodate our country. Mimi nataka niwaulize wanariadha wetu, mumejaliwa na Mungu, bidii yenu imewafikisha mbali. Musikubali mambo haya ya madawa ya haribu talanta zenu na ya haribu sifa yenu kama wanariadha wa taifa letu la Kenya. Tutashirikiana pamoja na nyinyi. And I have made a commitment that every year we are going to have $5 million as we committed to World Athletics to make sure that we deal with the problem of doping in Kenya. Our plan is to spend